Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Lisa Faith and this is Natural Inspirations. As you can see, the sun is shining a bit better today than it was yesterday, which was pretty bad, raining. But anyway, today I'm still in my beautiful place. Something has made me quite upset this morning though, because I've seen one of the trees has literally been pulled out of its roots. I don't know whether it was the wind that was really strong or something else, because there's happening quite a lot in this forest at the moment and it's causing me a bit of concern, so I'm going to report it later. Anyway, going back, so the card I pulled today, Parrot Spirit. And what does it say? It says, watch your words. Well, what does a parrot do? A parrot repeats itself quite a lot when it learns certain words. So I think it's a case of, are you being kind to yourself with the words that you are using? And are you being kind to others with the words that you're using? And words mean so much. They are so powerful. In any way they get taken down. So either by typing on a keyboard, by writing them, or even by just saying them. Words are powerful, as are our thoughts, and so please be mindful of what you're saying, especially to yourself. Are you giving yourself positive words? Are you being positive around your life? And also the words to others, have compassion, think about what you say before you say it. And words, as they say, can be spells because you are using spelling. So really be careful. Be mindful of your words. Okay, so for now, I wish you peace, love and light for the rest of your day, and bye for now.